Mom, I know how daunting it can feel to start your online business without the following. But listen, it's not about the numbers. It's about the right people who resonates with your message. You can grow your online business without a huge audience to start with the right strategies, the right skills. You'll be amazed how you can connect with people that truly connect with you. You see, inside of our program, you learn attraction marketing skills. You learn how to attract the right customers to your business. Don't let this stop you from starting your online business. Let me help you. Comment ready if you want to learn attraction marketing, if you want to learn how to attract customers to your business. Comment ready, and I would love to share more information with you.